Hey guys, good morning. So I bought some capacitors, some bypass capacitors. If you can see, they are the 104 ceramic capacitors. They're about zero point 0.1 microfarad. But what I added to the system is 103. 103 is 0.01 microfarad. So it's lower than the one I showed you. But it can bypass a lot more frequency than that one. So this one bypasses about 160 megahertz, and let's see the improvement of the system with the noise reduction that we added by the capacitor. So we're gonna our problem is that if we run the Arduino for a long period of time and the motors reach its running speed, there comes a time that it will interrupt the Arduino due to its electrical noise in the DC commutator. So adding the filters, the bypass capacitors, this is improvement. So as you can see, we've been holding it on for a long period of time and there's no interruption whatsoever. Still stops. That's a emergency brake. So we've been running this video for 3 minutes now. Still no interruption. But a while ago, while I was testing, it made the Arduino latch up again. So I'm assuming that it rarely happens, but now it's improved. At least we don't get it that much. Probably that's like in a 10% chance that it will latch up again. That means we need to add a lower bypass capacitor. Meaning, this the 103. Okay, one sec. Whoa, it fell down. Alright, so we have this. This capacitor bypasses about 16 megahertz of unwanted frequency. So, is that a good thing? Yes, it's a good thing. But the one I installed right now to the system bypasses about 160 megahertz. That's like 100 times more than this one. And yet, it still causes the Arduino to latch up. So, if we want a full system to be filtered out, probably gonna use something like a really low, like a 1 nanofarad capacitor. That would probably like eliminate 1.3, 1.21 gigahertz of unwanted frequency. So yeah, it's improved. It's still connected to the Bluetooth. We've been running the video for 3 minutes, no latch up. Well, that's good. The fight is a minute fight, so we don't want a latch up in a minute, so we have it. So it's basically fixed now. So yeah, this concludes the problem, and we've already solved the problem for the motors. So yeah, proven and improved. Thank you.